Rivers contribute up to 20% of ocean plastic pollution overall. What is the state of lakes in India? Here are some pictures which tell a sordid story. Lake banks in Bangalore. Our villages overflow with sewerage. The beauty of the Indian Ocean near Kerala coast. The beauty is only skin deep, it seems. Plastic mountains away, further from the coast. Guess where this plastic mountain was found? In Kedarnath, before the floods ravaged the place in 2013. All this plastic must now be in the Indian Ocean, taken there by the Mandakini River in Spate in 2013. The Bombay Natural History has been doing a wonderful job of creating awareness about plastic pollution. Gurujal has been very active in cleaning and securing Gurgaon's lost ponds. It is time to listen to the animals with whom we share our planet. A cement bag has been left by workers who built this waterhole in Corbett National Park. See it at the bottom right. Two tigers have come looking for water.
एक गाड़ी में पानी ढूंढ रही इसकी फोटो लगी उसको देना कि पानी के उसमें किल खा के आ रहे हो पानी ढूंढने
Need we say any more? This video was inspired by Team Seas, a global campaign to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic and trash from our ocean, rivers, and beaches. We in India are in a better place where most of our plastic waste is still on land. But our rivers and lakes are already polluted, and all the plastic in them flow out into seas when floods occur. India is surrounded by sea on three sides: the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. Major rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. Some flow into the Arabian Sea. After the rivers empty out into the seas flow into the Indian Ocean. Join teamseas.org and contribute in any which way you can. Subscribe to Indian Wildlife Club channel and share this video.